So I think I've found, um, basically, I remember when I was like 13 years old, it was the first time I ever masturbated. It's the first time I ever wanked, and it's like, I remember that experience was so good. And I remember after that, every time I wanked after, it was never as good. And it was hard for me to understand why. Basically, I've realised I stopped masturbating for a bit, for quite a long time. I think it went, I don't know, I literally believe I went on for about a year. I never masturbated. And what I found was there's a lot of things that contribute to this, what I'm going to say. But what I found was when I don't masturbate for a long time, long periods of time, the orgasm is a lot better. It's a lot more enjoyable when you don't masturbate for a long time. If you masturbate frequently, sex and just the orgasm isn't as enjoyable. It's kind of boring, to be honest. Um, to the point where it's kind of a bit, well, it's just boring. It's just like, um, and I feel like as well, just the kind of person that you are, being a good person, being a loving person, being a nice person, all these things, all these positive things will make your make it more enjoyable, the orgasm more enjoyable compared to if you're not really that great of a person. Um, so, and also like if you're not that great of a person, I probably wouldn't really recommend you masturbating anyway. But you probably kind of know that anyway. um, but anyway, that's all I want to say. All right, bye.